On early 2016, a new mechanical keyboard appeared online, quickly earning many followers due to its very affordable price and quality. We're talking about the Motospeed CK104, a keyboard that might just be the best mechanical keyboard for under $50. At about 1/3 of the cost compared to brand keyboards like Razer or Corsair, you might think this keyboard isn't anything special. The truth is, however, that it sponsors many of the features present on its more expensive rivals. Just by looking at it, you can see it as a pretty basic design. An aluminum sheet covers the front side of the keyboard, and on the back you'll find only a brand sticker, rubber feet and additional plastic feet for height adjustment. It's a very thin keyboard and it only weighs 850 grams, or 1 pound 14 ounces. It's available in 3 colors: red, rose gold and silver. One of the major qualities of this keyboard is the keycap type. It uses double-shot keys, where 2 pieces of plastic are pressed together, forming the text you see written on the keycaps. This means that the text won't fade away with use, unlike laser-etched and printed keycaps. However, should you want to replace a keycap, there's a key puller included in the box. Moving on to the switches, this keyboard is offered in red or blue variants. We chose the blue switches based on prior hands-on experience. The switches are manufactured by OUTEMU, a respectable brand. While they aren't exact duplicates of the Cherry MX Blue due to higher actuation force and higher click noise, they're of good quality and should last as much as the Cherry counterparts. Unlike some more expensive keyboards, this one features N-key rollover. This means that you can press as many keys as you want and they will all be detected correctly. The keyboard has RGB backlight, having 5 light profiles, all of them customizable. However, there are only 8 available colors, including off, and this is due to the lower-end hardware that limits the range of colors in order to achieve a lower price point. Despite being designed in China, these are all features that probably make this the best mechanical keyboard for under $50. There are, as always, some not so good aspects that we'd like to talk about. The font on the keycaps isn't the best. The same goes with the writing on some keys. Print screen, scroll lock, pause and break, home, page up and page down. The switches are very noisy. Many people like this aspect of mechanical keyboards, but if you share a room with somebody else, the clickiness might annoy them. Customization is very limited, and the lack of software makes things like customizing a light profile difficult. And finally, there's no palm rest, which might lead to wrist pain on prolonged gaming sessions. Overall, if you can live without some luxuries such as software and million-color backlight, this keyboard might be ideal for you. We've been using it regularly for the last 4 weeks and we absolutely love it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Till the next video, cheers!